Hey everybody, this is Andrew from evolveescooters.com. I'm here to fill you in once again on our circuit board for the Xiaomi Mi M365 electric scooter. There's a previous video where I show you how to connect it to the scooter so that you can actually ride it in case you needed a circuit board replacement, or whether your circuit board had rain damage. Had some comments about people buying their scooters from auctions that were previously bird scooters, and they needed a new circuit board in order for the scooter to ride and operate. So I'm going to actually show you one of the apps I've been using to connect it with. It's called a Darkness Bot app. I'll go ahead and post a recording of it. It does connect to the Bluetooth system that is hardwired into our circuit board. So let me go ahead and start that recording for you. Show you how it works. Just a disclaimer: it's not the type you can actually change the firmware with, and I know some people like to speed up their Xiaomi M365s to higher speeds. You're going to need a different application with that. Since I'm not really doing that with my scooter personally right now, I'm going to just show you that this one allows it to work. One of the issues I was having as well was that the scooter was beeping a lot, and that was because it was locked. So you can actually unlock the scooter with this app as well, which I thought was pretty awesome since it wasn't able to operate until I unlocked it. Let me go ahead and get that app started for you so you can check it out. Okay, as you can see in the video recording I made, I was just doing a screenshot of the actual app. You can see it can tell you certain things like the speed at which it's traveling. It shows you the battery life. Actually allows you to lock and unlock the scooter. So if you're out, say you stopped at the liquor store, or you're just watching a movie or something, you didn't want to shut off your you left your scooter outside just for a few minutes, you can just set up the lock on that system and pretty much lock up the acceleration on the scooter so it won't be able to move. It's definitely a pretty cool app, and I definitely recommend anybody who's purchasing the circuit board with our scooters to go ahead and give that app a try. It's the Darkness Bot app, and it claims to be compatible with the Segway Nightbot series, so ES1, ES2, as well as the Xiaomi electric scooters. And I actually think it works with pretty much any electric scooter that connects to Bluetooth. Pretty nifty app. I usually have it on, connect it right here to my first little phone mount that I connect to the scooter, and when I'm out riding I can check the battery life and speed, just for reference. Just go ahead and check it out. Check out the circuit board. It works really well. Got this scooter up and running perfectly, and haven't had a problem with it since. I'm going to be putting on the clamp now. Or the silicone covering for the scooter. Just didn't really want to put it on until I finished up these videos showing off these different apps and how they work. Cool, thanks. Just go ahead and check out evolveescooters.com. Awesome. Have a great day.